Hi, today I show you how to make techno with the free plugin Flechtwerk from Snare, and it's a replica of the infamous Plaits module from Mutable Instruments, so a Eurorec module. Yeah, and I made every track except the kick with the Flechtwerk, so let's have a look into it. Okay, let's start with the first track. I will turn off the effects for now. As you can hear, without the effects it's very dry, but yeah, I will explain a little bit the functions. So as you can see, here are the frequencies. Okay, let's turn it to the basic, to the origin. Okay, the harmonics knob is like the balance between the different harmonics, so sometimes it sounds like a filter, but yeah, it's a little bit more complex than that. And yeah, so you have different modes. Some are very pluggy, as this one here. This one is very nice for techno. You can hear the sharp interval. And you have the percussion voices. For example, the kick. I will make a new track to show you how to make a kick, but yeah, I don't like, or let's just say I rather like a classic 909 techno-like kick. But nonetheless, I will show you how to make one. Okay, so you can see you can make a fat kick, but I think it's a little bit too boomy, or yeah, I want a bit more control on the kick. Let's hear the snare. Okay, I'll show you one good advice that I used on almost every track, and that is a classic LFO. For example, on the morph knob. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, now I'll show you the main effect chain I used. It's from Jan Cook. Yeah, I put the video link in my description. It's a very awesome effect chain. So you can use it on almost every track or voice. Very nice. So, like I first said, yeah, just a classic LFO. I used it on the harmonics, and then yeah, step randomizer LFO on the morph. And yeah, that's just it. Yeah. Yeah. So I did almost the same with the first track from the project. Okay, the next voices are, yeah, like hi-hat. I left the first hi-hat very dry. So yeah, this voice here. And yeah, like I show you in this track here, I use step LFO, but with this sequencer. So I have, yeah, a custom 16-step sequencer, and I mapped it with the mod, or I mean the morph. Okay, the next track is actually a copy of that one, but with the amp effect and the shifter on. So it's a nice combination of these two. Let's hear it with the first track. And let's play with the knobs from the first track. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look at the bass. It's very hypnotic, thanks to the Jan Cook effect chain. And yeah, I used this sine wave looking voice. And an LFO. Okay. Next we have the kick. and I used the DS kick. I made it very 909ish, and yeah, I put the Smackos tape station on it. It's from Lego Welt, so yeah, so you can just get it for free from Lego Welt's page. And yeah, then a saturator, so the kick is very, yeah, very compressed, but I like it in this example. Very brutal. Yeah. So the last track, because this was just a little introduction, the last track is, yeah, like atmospheric percussion voice. So I made it with a classic piano roll. And yeah, let's try another voice. Oh, that's too harsh. Yeah, okay. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Wow, okay. You can see I used the Valhalla vintage verb, so of course without the plugin and without the saturation, it sounds like this. But yeah, you can make a lot of the free plugin, so you don't have to buy expensive plugins. Okay, let's just hear one more time the complete project. Okay, that was the video. I hope you like it, and yeah, write me a comment. This was my first video with commentary, so maybe another video gets uploaded first with my voice, but yeah, this is my chronologically first video with voice. So yeah, I hope you like it, and see you next time.